Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope all you are doing well. Today I am going to tell you some tips so that you can improve your English. If you want to learn English, then you have to talk, you have to interact with people. Until you interact, until you speak with people, you will not be able to speak. If you think that I will learn by secretly, it will not be possible, my friends. I was thinking earlier like that. If I want to speak firstly, if I start speaking, then I may speak wrong. People will laugh at me. I was thinking about that. What people judge me if I speak very mistake. If I not able to speak, if I not able to express my thought, what people will think, what people if they laughed. If you keep thinking this way, you will not be able to speak in your life. That's why you have to speak with people every day. If you only reading, someone told you that you have to read every day. I know, I believe you reading is help you, but reading help you and listening help you, but until you start speaking, you will not be able to speak. The reality is that. Don't be shy, don't be uh, demotivate. Just try to encourage yourself to speak in front of camera, in front of mirror, and whenever you have getting chance to speak with people, real people, that time please try to speak with them. Earlier I was also thinking that I will learn this language secretly. This is not that type of skill, my friends. You can't learn your secretly. You can't learn by magically. You have to give your time. You have to take patience. You have patience. Then only you can achieve your fluency. And try to speak every day. Try to record your video. Try to speak in front of camera. If you don't know, just try to speak simple language, just like I am drinking water, now I am cooking food, now I am going to bath, and whatever comes in your mind. When you are going to market, just try to speak, I am going to market. When you are purchasing some vegetable, that time try to speak, I am purchasing vegetable. And whenever you are going to meet your friend, that time try to speak, I am going to meet my friend, and I talked with him, I will talk with him. This way, if you think that I will not speak and automatically it will be coming fluency, confidence come after speaking, it will not come before speaking. If you speak, then only confidence come. If you make mistake, then only you can know where is your mistaking, what should you improve, then start working in that field. I faced many problem in this language because earlier I didn't focus speaking. Today I can speak at least 2 lines, 3 lines, because of I started speaking with people. If I if I thought that what people think about me, I am making mistake. What if they judged me? What they have laughed me? Let them laugh. Let them judge you. One day they will ask you, how did you learn English? These all, these are some tips. You have to, at least you have to speak 30 minutes. If you have 2 or 3 hours, then it is very good for you. If you don't have that much time, it's okay, but 30 minutes you have to speak with anyone, anybody. whenever you get time. And if you have time, you can read like storybook, that is also help you. And you have to listen like podcast whenever you have doing something, like you are cooking, that time you have to speak, that time you have to listen some podcast, that will help you in fluency, that will develop your fluency. And confidence increase when you try to speak. Before speaking, confidence will never come. That's why you have to follow. And if you don't have any partner to speak with whom you want to speak, then I am also wondering people like who are suffering from their environment, they are not getting friends with whom they should speak. I am also wondering like that friend, because I want to improve my spoken English, I want to improve my, I want to develop my personality. These are some tips and tricks, and if you really want to learn English, you have to follow this, and you have to speak with people every day. Then only you have to speak, then only you can achieve your dream. Thank you for you are giving me valuable your time, and thank you for your supporting me. Keep learning, keep keep learning, keep listening, and keep shining in your life. Have a great day. Take care. Thank you.